Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy SUNDOG coin without fees. So in order to do it, you first need to find the SUNDOG's contract address. In order to get it, you can either come to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, or you can even use DEX tools and desk screener as well. So currently I'm using CoinMarketCap, so you need to come over here, and here in the search bar you need to search for SUNDOG. Now once you are able to find it, you need to simply click on it, and then you will be able to see its chart as well as its current price. As you can see that it is around 6.660% up. Now in order to find its contract address, you need to simply tap on this copy button in order to copy it. And now in order to get it without any fees, you need to use SunSwap. So on SunSwap, you can connect your TronLink wallet with it, and you can swap your TRX to the SUNDOG, and you will get your SUNDOG into your TronLink wallet. So first you need to set up your TronLink wallet. If you don't know how to do it, then there is a detailed video available on my channel, so you can watch that and you can set up your TronLink wallet. After that, you need to just fund your wallet with some Tron, then come to SunSwap and click on connect to wallet, then select TronLink, and then you will be able to see that our TronLink is now connected successfully. Now you just have to provide the token address, so you need to click on select the token address, and here you need to paste the address that we have just copied. Now as you can see that we have SUNDOG available here. Now you need to enter the amount of Tron that you want to spend in order to purchase SUNDOG, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of SUNDOG that you are going to get. If you scroll down a bit, you will notice that the price impact and the transaction fees is very less. There is no price impact, and the transaction fees is also very less. So here you need to click on the swap button, and you will get your SUNDOG into your Tron link wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.